Unlock the power of your cloud storage by making your Dropbox folders a native part of your Mac's Finder. Today, we're diving into a simple, yet incredibly effective way to integrate your Dropbox files directly into your macOS environment, treating them just like any other folder on your computer for effortless access and management. First things first, ensure you have the Dropbox desktop application installed on your Mac. If you don't, head to the Dropbox website and download the latest version. Once it's installed, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Dropbox account. This is a crucial step. Sign in with your existing Dropbox credentials or create a new account if you haven't already. The application will then guide you through some initial setup options. But the key for our integration is ensuring that Dropbox is set to sync your files to your computer. After signing in and completing any initial setup, Dropbox will automatically begin syncing your files. You'll see a progress indicator, and it might take some time depending on the size of your Dropbox. The important part is that once this sync is active, Dropbox actively manages your files on your local machine. Now, let's see the magic happen. Open any Finder window on your Mac. You'll notice a new icon has appeared in the sidebar. Typically under Favorites or Locations, this icon represents your entire Dropbox folder. Clicking on this Dropbox icon in the sidebar will reveal all your synced folders and files, laid out just as they are in your Dropbox account online. From here, you can browse, open, copy, move, and even delete files within your Dropbox directly from Finder, without needing to open a separate web browser or the Dropbox application itself. This seamless integration means you can drag and drop files directly into your Dropbox folder from any other location on your Mac. Likewise, you can drag files from your Dropbox out to your desktop or any other local folder. The Dropbox icon in your Mac's menu bar will continue to show you sync status, allowing you to pause syncing or access preferences if needed. But for everyday file management, treating your Dropbox like a local drive is now a reality. Enjoy this streamlined approach to managing your cloud storage, making your files more accessible and your workflow more efficient than ever before on your Mac.